Hey everybody, we're at house number 3. Welcome to number 3 on our house tour. This is actually an interesting area. This, when you drive around driving for dollars looking at houses, you just run into some crazy things.
All kinds of wonderful gems.
Yes!
So we pulled up to house number 3 that we're, gonna go take a look at, and then next door is for sale too. So that was pretty cool. And then not only is next door for sale, but across the street, OMG guys, take a look at this. What? So this is what a jewel. This is what you'll run into. So this house here, we didn't come for this one, but we came to look at, at this one across the street here, and this one is for sale over here. And then we came and then we did an about face and was like, wait a minute, what is happening over here? This is like a diamond in the rough. This is what we call a junker to jewels. Yeah, yep. Junkers for jewels, right? A house that would be considered abandoned, vacant, unloved. No one's looking at it. It's fallen down, boarded up windows, boarded up doors, roof looking crazy. We can't see the back because, that's that would be considered trespassing. So we won't do it, at least today, on camera. We won't do that.
We'll wait until we buy it.
We'll wait until we're off camera. No, I'm just kidding. But here is a property right across the street. So what we would do is we would look up this address, look up who owns it. Maybe it's bank owned, I don't know, or it may be owned by somebody, or I don't know. But somebody's not loving on this house and they forgot about it. There's a white paper on the window there. It could be from the county, because I'm pretty sure there's probably some liens on here. The county hates when houses look like this, so they slap liens on here just to light some fire onto the owner and make them come and take care of their property. So we'll see. We'll investigate this one, but this one is definitely a good one. But we're going inside this guy. Now this one doesn't look so bad. It looks like it got like a a decent paint job. I'm not so sure about that like beige and brown combo.
It's not my first choice.
It's not my first choice, but it's not bad. It's not terrible, So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see exactly what the interior condition of this property looks like. Would you agree?
Yep.
Yep.
I totally agree. And so what do you notice the first thing that we step up to the house?
I tell you what, the curb appeal is not so bad. Like the lawn is mowed. It has some, mulch there. Is a little faded, but at least it's, free of debris and that kind of thing. Looking at the roof, it looks aged and worn, but it's definitely in better condition than the previous 2 houses that we have seen today. And the windows are kind of newish. They're not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. At some point in this home's history, those windows had been upgraded at some point. So that's pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah, I completely agree.
You completely agree?
So we'll see if it's been rehabbed or not, if this is just someone selling their house.